Stacey Ray's travel tips. Stacey.
Hey travelers, you need to beware. There is a new scam going around, and it's catching even smart, experienced travelers off guard. It looks real and it feels real, but it's not. And let me just say that at Sisterhood Travels, we will never, ever send you a text to pay your invoice or request information from you. But scammers, they are sending out fake text messages that look like legitimate booking confirmations. They include actual reservation dates, hotel names, and even your real confirmation number. And that's what makes this one so dangerous. They're working with real details. The message usually says something like, to keep your reservation secure, please verify your payment information. No charge will be made. If we don't receive verification within 24 hours, your reservation may be canceled. People, this is a phishing scam designed to steal your financial information. So if you receive a message like this, do not click any links. Do not respond, even if it includes accurate booking information. Instead, go directly to the source. Call the hotel or the airline using the contact information from their official website or your original confirmation email. Never trust a phone number or link that came through a suspicious message. And this scam is part of a larger wave of travel-related fraud. So according to recent reports, scams tied to trip planning, like fake booking websites and manipulated destination photos and fraudulent offers, have increased significantly over the past year. And during peak travel seasons, fraud attempts can jump by nearly 30%. There's also been a rise in luggage tag theft. Scammers are using baggage tags left behind at airports to file false lost bag claims and steal compensation. So here's how to protect yourself. Never, ever enter payment details through a link sent via text unless you are 100% sure it's legit. Personally, I don't ever make payments through links sent by text, no matter what or who. Always verify changes or requests directly with the hotel or travel provider. Shred or safely dispose of your luggage tags at home, not in airport trash bins. Use a credit card with strong fraud protection when booking. And consider travel insurance as an extra layer of security. Look, here's the bottom line. If anything feels off, pause and verify. Travel's supposed to be exciting, not a trap for scammers to exploit. Stay alert, travel smart, and don't let fraud ruin your trip.